I had a dream, Joe. I had a dream. You were swimming back this way from Australia. Sure is a long way, sure as hell is long. But you know in a dream, Joe, all is possible. When I was 15, Joe, when I was 15, I read on the road to and wanted to be Neal Cassady. Where are you now, Joe? Where are you now? You're roaming some Greek island and I am stuck with this boring job. Hope you have nice weather, Joe. Hope you have good time. Sure is easier to be Neal Cassady when you are a guy. And I had a dream, Joe. I had this dream, and in the dream, Joe, Nikkei was suing me. It was just a dream, Joe. It was just a dream. Anyway, he decided to forgive me just because you're both Australian. And I had a dream, Joe. I had a dream. You went home, got married, and you led a boring life. I had a dream, Joe. I had this dream, and in the dream, Joe, I was in love with you. It was just a dream, Joe. It was just a dream. 'Cause you know in a dream, Joe, all is possible. You know in a dream, Joe, all is possible.